Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting. Latest balcony makeover trends. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a spacious one, we have got ideas for you. First up, let's talk about maximizing space. If you are tight on space, consider multi-purpose furniture. Folding chairs and tables are lifesavers. They can be tucked away when not in use, giving you more room to breathe. Voila, instant space transformation. Now let's add some color, bright cushions, throw rugs, and even hanging planters can add a pop of color to your balcony. Don't be afraid to mix and match planters for a fun electric vibe. Wow, doesn't that look inviting? Let's talk about greenery. Plants not only add beauty to your balcony, but also purify the air. Plus, they create a calming atmosphere. From succulents to ferns, there is a plant for every balcony. And if you are short on floor space, consider vertical gardening and planters on the walls or install a trellis for climbing plants. Let's not forget about comfort. Add some cozy blankets and pillows to create a comfy seating area where you can curl up with a good book or enjoy a cup of tea. And there you have it, folks, the latest balcony makeover trends. Whether you are looking to create a cozy retreat or vibrant outdoor oasis, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Until next time, happy decorating.